So today we will be playing a niche game called Go Find the Cat. So very
My least favorite is brown and black.
brown and black niche.
And black is a very I hate using
You're
black.
very niche.
Colors in my sleepers.
Niche.
Like instrumental.
It's a very niche game.
And
Oh, look at the cat decks. Oh, there's Squid Baby.
on the chart,
Cat number 1.4. Doll cat.
I'll give it to you next year, okay?
Okay. Circle guard cat.
what's your favorite color?
What's
your favorite color?
white.
White. Asher,
Oh my.
Sia's favorite color is white.
Okay, and pink.
That's white color. Oh. I'm finding white stickers and I felt lost there. So we have to put it. Yeah, his favorite color is white. That's the first of all on that.
Okay, but
Because I put any colors except for black, brown,
okay,
and
let's teleport to Candy. Okay, that's Asher. Okay,
Yeah?
Batchy. Oh. Coin what in there?
I don't like white because I hate toilets. They smell like